Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to mark ride as race in Strava. So the Strava platform or the Strava app, it's actually can be used in both, even on your phone as an app that you can get or download from App Store or Play Store or even from in other stores that your system supports, or even you can just get the access to the Strava platform just by using your computer and your browser. So what I want to do right now is to launch your favorite browser, and then I want to go into the search bar right here and type strava.com. Alright, so then what I want to do is to make sure that you already have an account, so you are signed in, and if not, you need to sign in or sign up if you don't have one. And after that, I advise you to get the subscription, so you will be able to get the access through to many features on the platform. So right here, what I want to do is to go into training. Alright, so right here you can go into my activities, the second option below the training calendar. So click on my activities, and right here, as you can see, you can go into the my activities. Right here a section stay here, and right here you can go into the sports. Then let's go into ride right here, and you can go on the right type after filling the keywords and the commute or private right here, and yeah, right here you can change the right type into race. Okay, and the bike, it depends on which bikes you have on the website. You can choose, and also you can do that to an existing activity that you have made before, or even you can create one just like that. Anyways, that's the video. This is how to mark a ride as a race in Strava, and thank you so much for watching.